Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. Guys, it's been a long time and I really apologize for taking off for so long. It's just, life happens and I had a lot of things that I had to give my immediate attention to. But here I am. I think I pretty much finalized everything that I needed to finalize. On a positive note, in the midst of it all, I published a book, and the name of that book is called How to Become a Six-Figure Barber. I'm gonna leave the link down below by the description so that you guys can check it out. I'll be talking about it as we go along throughout my next videos, but I just wanted to drop that gem on you guys. So I've been busy doing that, and I've been busy with the barbershop too. The barbershop has taken off. I've got barbers in there. We're all busy, and it's just been chaotic. And then I moved also, so all these things have been happening all at once. And I've also got my TikToks, my Instagram posting, and all the other things with social media that I work on a day-to-day basis. So it's been really tough to juggle all of those things at the same time. So I greatly apologize to you guys. I didn't leave you guys hanging. I've always had you guys on my mind. My 1,000+ subscribers, even though it's not 50,000, it's not 100,000, it's just a little over 1,000, but you guys are my hardcore followers, and I appreciate you following me and getting the most out of my content. Anyway, let's get to it. The next video that I'm about to showcase features a taper. All right, so I saved the best shot for last. You guys already know what I'm gonna say. Just make sure you like and subscribe, and that you comment, and that you engage with my content so that YouTube knows to push it out and give the video more traction. All right, guys, so that's it. Let's begin. First, create the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the Next, remove the hair from underneath the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. Next, create baldness with the foil shaver. For this exercise, I'm using the RPG by Caliber. Next, remove the bald line. Start with the clipper's blade fully extended, and each time you pass through the section, close the blade just a little bit, and repeat the same step. Continue repeating this step until the line is erased. For this exercise, I'm using the original 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section just like you see me do here. Then close the blade and repeat the same step. For the remainder of this blend, I'll be using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section like this, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach the half guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. The next step is to create your lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. Next, it's time to clean up your lineup with a straight razor. If your taper looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. All of the clippers and trimmers in this video have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.